Ever marvel at the majestic elephant? Picture one now, a force of nature, both in size and strength. The largest land mammal on Earth, weighing up to 7 tons. That's as heavy as 2 average cars. Yet they're not just all brawn, but brains too. Elephants are highly intelligent, with a brain 3 times the size of a human's. They mourn their dead, showing deep emotional capacity. And what about that trunk? A marvel of evolution. It's a nose, an arm, even a snorkel all rolled into one. But here's the kicker. Despite their might, they're gentle vegetarians. Their diet, plants, grass, fruit. So next time you think of power, think of the elephant. Mighty, smart and gentle. Quite the paradox, isn't it? Until our next intriguing creature, cheerio.